Hey, it's Mike and Laney. We've been traveling for 8 months now with only a carry-on and a backpack.
And in today's video, we're going to share with you some of our tips and tricks, what's in our bags, and our essential items.
Well, are you guys looking for the best luggage you can get? Look no further. Quince, 175 bucks. Best money you're gonna spend. Seriously, we spent a bunch of time looking up different companies. They're all in like the $300 range. This thing was half the price. My favorite feature on this luggage is definitely the wheels. They're called Hanamoto. It's a Japanese company. They're known for being really quiet and smooth. By far my favorite feature on this thing. The inside is held up great. The mesh is good. The buckles are great. Yeah, this has been on a bunch of trips, haven't had any issues. I would highly recommend if you're looking for luggage to go with Quince. You'll save a bunch of money and be super happy. Do it.
Raise your hand if you are an overpacker. Me too. This is what I have come up with to do to help me narrow down and fit everything in my suitcase. So, step 1, get all the things you want out to bring on your trip. Lay it all out. And then, start narrowing down. Does this bring me joy? No. And then you just keep doing that until you fit everything in your suitcase. Alright, packing cubes. Do they save space or not? For me, I really don't think they save space, but they help you keep organized. So I love packing cubes for that reason alone. I got 1 skirt and 1 dress, 2 tank tops and 2 t-shirts, 1 short sleeved and 1 long sleeved. And I have a lot of dark colors. And the reason why is because all my whites, they get real crusty and they've just not held up. So I think darker colors are the best. Also, I try to keep a neutral palette. That way, all my items mix and match really easily. You can make a lot of different outfits. Puffer jacket, one that is packable. I will likely wear this on the plane, so I save some space in my suitcase. 2 pairs of workout shorts, 1 pair of biker shorts, 1 pair of thermal leggings, and 3 pairs of regular leggings. 3 workout shirts, 2 tankies. Tankies? I got 2 tankies. Never said tankies in my life. And 2 long sleeved workout shirts. 1 pair of jeans. This was tough for me. I wanted to bring more, but realistically we just don't wear jeans that often. So 1 pair. I think that's gonna be perfect. 1 shacket. Lightweight, you can kind of dress up a pair of leggings, 1 sweater, and a hat. I love this hat because you can just fold it up really, really small. 1 curling iron and 1 straightener. I don't even bother bringing a blow dryer because the Airbnbs, they have blow dryers 99% of the time. I brought a couple extra deodorants. Now the places that we've been, they don't have the same product that we have here in the States. I have not been able to come across natural deodorants when we're abroad, so I might even get a 3rd deodorant stick to bring with. Bring your stuff that you like with, because you may not be able to find it there. Here is something that we purchased recently. It is a blend jet, and we love making smoothies. Now this guy doesn't really crush through ice that great, but we put some protein, berries, milk. It does the job. It's portable, you can charge it. And this has been so handy. Love, love, love this thing. I have 7 pairs of socks, about 10 pairs of underwear. Never can have enough underwear. And a night mask. And 1 rain jacket that folds up and packs in really, really tight. And 1 pair of PJs. Oh, shoes. For shoes, I've narrowed it down to 3 pair. My Nikes, which I'll wear on the plane, and these are my go-to. They're super, super lightweight. A pair of white canvas shoes. And for cooler days, Got a pair of Birkenstocks. Oh, I said cooler days. And 1 pair of Birkenstocks. And that's everything I have in my suitcase.
Are you guys ready to see what I'm bringing? It's probably a lot less than what Laney's bringing, or maybe about the same. I got 1 pair of jeans, 2 collared shirts that are short sleeve, 1 zip-up hoodie, 2 pairs of joggers, 2 pairs of workout shorts, kind of a dressier outfit, pair of chubby pants, which are really good, and a polo that's short sleeve. 2 just like, I don't know, I guess I call them sleepy shirts, you know, just wear around the house shirts. This is a really thick, I call it like a shacket. It's like a jacket material, but it's a shirt. It's a button up, and I'll usually wear like a shirt underneath it, just for like layering. 3 pairs of just normal shirts, like wear every day outside. Pair of shorts, a long sleeve casual shirt, 2 long sleeve workout shirts, and just another pair of shorts that's for like wearing around the house, or I don't know, go to the store real quick. I bring 7 pairs of underwear and about 7 pairs of socks. My favorite socks I bring are these toe socks, and the reason I love these is because they're fast drying and your toes are separate. So the shoes I'm bringing is real simple, just 3 pairs. I got a pair of white leather canvas shoes that are my go-to for like normal clothes. Then I've got a pair of workout shoes, and I got a pair of flip-flops, and that's it. One thing to note is when I'm picking out my outfits, I'm strategically picking out items, meaning I'm picking out items that can pack down really, really easily and that are quick to dry, because I don't know if you know this, but a lot of places in the world, they don't have like dryers, so you're gonna end up hanging up your clothes. If everything you own is like heavy, thick cotton, it's gonna take a while. So I try to find clothes that dry quick.
Here's the backpack that I bring with me. I found this one on Amazon. I really love the way that it functions. I wanted something that carried both my iPad and my laptop, as well as all my camera gear. The liquids that I bring with me are just in my makeup, so I just fit this in the front pocket of the bag. Easy to access. Just like that. My iPad and my laptop, 1 hard drive, camera card, reader, charging gear. This one I really love because it's like a 4 in 1. So 1 cable with all that you need right here. A couple extra cords. We have all of our camera gear, a couple lens, some ND filters, all my camera cards in this pouch, some jewelry, and then let's see, what are these? Some adapters. Picked this up on Amazon, and we'll leave the links to these and everything in the video down below. Have to have our travel blanket. Mike has mentioned this before. It is from Gravel. It folds away really small, and I use this like every single day. It's expensive for a travel blanket, but it's well worth the money. AirPods, noise canceling, that's a must for an airplane, and a neck pillow. And that's all I have in my backpack.
All right, we've went over our carry-on. Now I'm gonna show you what goes in my backpack. First things first, of course I'm a gamer. Of course I'm gonna have an 18-inch super heavy gaming laptop that I'm gonna bring that I have to buy a special backpack for. Got an iPad. This is my travel blanket. You've seen this in our travel day vlogs. This thing is, I mean, it's priceless. You need this. Noise canceling headphones for the airplane. If you've never been on an airplane before without noise canceling headphones, you're doing something wrong, because these are a necessity. Rain jacket in case it starts raining. This is a travel adapter. So when we're in different countries, you can plug in our iPads and charge everything. This little bad boy is a Sea to Summit. This is a clothing line. So when you get to your Airbnb, if there's no clothing line or like rack to hang things up with, you can pull this out and you'll be able to dry your clothes. This thing surprisingly came in really handy. It's a carabiner, and you can just put this somewhere on your backpack, and then you can connect your travel pillow or your flip-flops or water bottle, whatever. This thing has all kinds of uses. Fun fact, this came as an extra gift with my travel blanket. And probably the most important travel feature or travel item, this is gonna be my neck pillow for the airplane. Without this, you might as well take a bus. Some things that are not laid out here is my eye mask, because I use that every night to sleep, and then my toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, basic things like that, but I'll also stick that in here. And that's about it.
Okay, my last tip is try to leave some room in your suitcase, because you're gonna want to bring some stuff back home.
Totally agree.
Can I put something in your suitcase?
I would advise you guys to pick up 2 or 3 of those carabiners. They're super inexpensive and they're gonna be a huge lifesaver for you. When we were in Thailand, I hooked up some scuba fins to it and my flip-flops, and it was great. If you guys found any of these tips helpful, please let us know in the comments. We would love to hear your feedback. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye.